Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk. Let's get ready.
4091 engine was produced by the Zavolsky engine plant by order of the Ulyanovsk automobile plant. The engine has increased technical characteristics. Technical characteristics. The ZMZ 4091 engine is one of the modifications of the original 409 motor. Due to its reliability and simplicity of design, the power unit has been widely used. UAZ Hunter with a 4091 engine. The 16-valve engine ZMZ 4091 was designed specifically for installation on vehicles of the Ulyanovsk automobile plant. This power unit is something between 405 and 410 motors, or rather a fusion of their best components and characteristics. In the case, as with the 405, the 4091 has the following refinements: modernized valve cover, timing mechanism, installed double layer, metal cylinder head gasket. However, the difference is that the volume of the power unit is increased to 2.7 liters, which has increased consumption. Since the internal combustion engine is produced for Ulyanovsk cars, it is often confused with UMZ, and called UAZ engine. The device of the motor 4091. Unlike the original motor, the 4091 was added to the environmental norm -2 €, and the power unit itself is accelerated to 143 horsepower. Powertrain ZMZ 4091 technical specifications, name characteristics brand ZMZ 4091 type inline fuel gasoline injection system injector volume 2.7 liters, 2,693 centimeters cube, power 143 horsepower, number of cylinders, number of valve, cylinder diameter 95.5 mm. Econo at the engine is supposed to be serviced after 15,000 kilometers of mileage. On car forums, the question is often asked, how much oil can the engine hold? So, the motor holds 7 liters of engine oil, but when replacing it will require only 6 liters. Repair of ZMZ 4091 engine. The main oils recommended by the manufacturer and motorists are semi-synthetics with markings 5W30, 5W40, 10W30, 10W40, 15W40, 20W40. Malfunctions and repairs. When the technical characteristics and device are considered, it is worth proceeding to the consideration of the main problems, as well as how the repair of the ZMZ 4091 engine is carried out. Engine 4091 in UAZ Hunter? Important. Before repairing the ZMZ 4091 with your own hands, it is worth studying the repair manual of the power unit, but if the motorist is confident in his abilities, then proceed directly to the actions. The most common problem is trolling and floating revolutions. Eliminate this malfunction can be independently, without leaving the garage. So, let's consider the causes and methods of troubleshooting. Bad fuel and power system. If the fuel tank was filled with poor quality fuel, it can clog the power system, which will lead to floating revs and trolling. To fix the problem, the entire system will need to be cleaned and the injectors will need to be cleaned. After the procedure is done, it is worth checking the performance of the power unit. Replacement of the timing chain. Spark plugs and high voltage wires. Often, the problem can be spark plugs and wires. Repair of ZMZ 4091, in this case, is quite simple. Old parts are unscrewed, inspected, and if necessary, replaced. It is worth remembering that before installing new spark plugs it is worth setting the gap between the electrodes. If this is not done, the combustion of fuel will not be uniform, which leads to the effect, burning valves. Sensors and ECU. Malfunction of sensors and the electronic control unit of the engine. In this case, error codes will help, by which you can immediately determine what the malfunction is hiding. So, Let's consider the decoding of ECU errors. Malfunction of the oxygen sensor heater circuit 1 4 open circuit or short circuit 2. Ground of the oxygen sensor heater circuit 1 16 short circuit to the onboard network. Oxygen sensor heater circuit 1 oxygen sensor heater circuit 2 malfunction open circuit or short circuit to ground of oxygen sensor heater circuit 2 oxygen sensor heater circuit 2 short circuit to ground mass airflow sensor signal out of acceptable range low signal level in the mass airflow sensor circuit. High signal level in the mass airflow sensor circuit inlet air temperature sensor circuit low signal level inlet air temperature. Sensor circuit signal level is high coolant temperature sensor signal out of acceptable range low signal level in the coolant temperature. Sensor circuit high signal level in coolant temperature sensor circuit low signal level in throttle position sensor 1 circuit high. Signal level in throttle position sensor 1 circuit oxygen sensor 1 signal circuit malfunction low signal level in oxygen sensor 1 circuit high. Signal level in oxygen sensor 1 circuit slow response to mixture changes in oxygen sensor 1 loss of activity faulty control circuit. Of the electric fan relay 1 faulty control circuit of the electric fan relay 2 no signal of the vehicle speed sensor incorrect signal. Of the brake pedal switches onboard voltage below the operation threshold low onboard voltage high onboard voltage flash fault controller. ROM, checksum error, controller malfunction electric fuel pump relay control circuit open circuit electric fuel pump relay control circuit. Open or short circuit to ground electric fuel pump relay control circuit open or short circuit to ground electric fuel pump relay. Control circuit short circuit to ground air conditioner clutch relay control circuit malfunction air conditioner clutch relay circuit. Open or short circuit to ground air conditioner clutch relay circuit short circuit to ground open circuit or short circuit to ground. Of fan relay control circuit 1 short circuit to ground of fan relay control circuit 1 open circuit or short circuit to ground of fan. Relay control circuit 2 short circuit to ground of fan relay control circuit 2 invalid throttle position sensor 1 and 2 readings do not match acceleration pedal position out of range engine speed outside the permissible range irreversible fuel injection. Restriction due to system faults. Engine system monitoring program error throttle position out of the permissible range throttle opening position out of the permissible range unreliable throttle mass flow rate value no response from immobilizer or faulty communication line unregistered electronic key used open circuit or malfunction of the immobilizer transmitting antenna internal fault of the immobilizer unit attempt to unlock. Immobilizer 0030 throttle adaptation aborted due to external conditions 0031 controller non-volatile memory, EEPROM, malfunction. 0032 throttle control power channel malfunction 0036 acceleration pedal position sensor 1 circuit low signal level 0037 acceleration. Pedal position sensor 1 circuit high signal level 0038 acceleration pedal position sensor 2 circuit low signal level 0101 acceleration. Pedal position sensor 2 circuit signal level high 0102 throttle position sensors 1 and 2 do not match 0103 acceleration pedal position. Sensors 1 and 2 do not match 0112 fuel supply system drifts from medium to lean at idle speed 0113 fuel supply system drifts from medium to rich region at idle speed 0116 oxygen sensor 1 and 2 signals do not match 0117 oxygen sensor 2 signal is in the lean state 0118 oxygen sensor 2 signal is in the rich state 0122C00101123 can information bus malfunction 0130P000101131 fuel pressure regulator control circuit open 0132P000201133 fuel pressure regulator control circuit overload driver overheating 0134 P000301335 throttle adaptation aborted due to external conditions 0136 P0004037 fuel pressure regulator control circuit short circuit to onboard power 0138P00160140 phase disturbance between camshaft and crankshaft position sensor signals 0141 acceleration pedal. Position sensor 1 circuit low signal level 0171 fuel pressure in ramp, rail, 2 low 0172 P00880201 fuel pressure in ramp, rail. 2 high 0202 P01000203 mass airflow sensor circuit malfunction 0204 P01010222 mass airflow sensor signal outside the permissible range 0223 P01020261 mass airflow sensor circuit signal is low 0262 P01030264 mass airflow sensor circuit signal level high 0265 P01100267 inlet air temperature sensor circuit fault P0111 air temperature sensor signal out of acceptable range P0112 low air temperature sensor circuit signal P0113 high air temperature sensor circuit signal P0116 incorrect coolant temperature sensor signal P0117 low coolant temperature sensor circuit signal P01180268 short circuit to onboard of injector control circuit 1 P0264 open circuit or short circuit to mass of injector control circuit 2 P0265 short circuit to onboard of injector control circuit 2 P0267 open circuit or short circuit to mass of injector control circuit 3 P0268 short circuit to onboard of injector control circuit 3 P0270 short circuit to mass of injector control circuit 4 P0271 short circuit to onboard of injector control circuit 4 P0271 short circuit to mass of injector control circuit 3 injector control circuit 3 P0270 short circuit to mass of injector control circuit 4 P0271 short circuit to onboard of injector control circuit 4 P0335 malfunction or open circuit of crankshaft position sensor P0336 no synchronization of crankshaft position sensor and camshaft position sensor P0340 malfunction of camshaft position sensor circuit phase sensor P0341 camshaft position sensor signal out of range phase sensor P0380 malfunction of glow plug control or heating circuit P0381 malfunction of glow plug indicator control circuit glow plug status indicator control circuit P0401 insufficient airflow through EGR valve P0402 excessive airflow through EGR valve P0480 electric fan relay number 1 control circuit malfunction P0481 electric fan relay number 2 control circuit malfunction P04870270 exhaust gas recirculation valve control circuit open P0488 exhaust gas recirculation valve out of control range P0500 circuit malfunction or no signal from vehicle speed sensor P0501 vehicle speed sensor signal out of range P0502 vehicle speed underestimated, too low, P0503 vehicle speed overestimated, too high, P0504 brake. Pedal switch signal mismatch P0560 onboard voltage out of operating range P0562 low onboard voltage P0563 high onboard voltage P0605 faulty. Controller flash controller ROM, checksum error, P0606 controller malfunction or error during controller initialization P0607 internal. Controller malfunction, self-monitoring module malfunction P060A internal controller malfunction, self-monitoring module malfunction P060B internal. Controller malfunction, controller ADC faulty P0610 incompatible vehicle registration data written to EEPROM 061A internal controller. Fault, invalid torque P061B internal controller fault, invalid estimated torque P061C internal controller fault, invalid engine speed P0627. 0271 open circuit of electric fuel pump relay control circuit or diesel booster relay control circuit P0628 open circuit or short circuit. to mass of electric pump relay control circuit P0629 short circuit to onboard of electric pump relay control circuit P062B internal. Malfunction of controller driver for fuel supply control P062F controller EEPROM malfunction fuel supply P062F controller non-volatile. Data memory, EEPROM, malfunction P0642 acceleration pedal position sensor number 1 power supply low P0643 acceleration pedal position sensor. Number 1 power supply high P0645 compressor clutch relay control circuit malfunction P0646 open circuit or short circuit to mass of air. Conditioner clutch relay circuit P0647 short circuit to onboard of air conditioner clutch relay circuit P0648 immobilizer indicator. Control circuit malfunction P0650 MIL, check engine, lamp control circuit malfunction P0652 low power supply level acceleration pedal position sensor no. 2 P0653 acceleration pedal position sensor no. 2 power supply level high P0670 glow plug relay control circuit open P068 a main relay switches off too soon after engine stop P068B main. Relay does not switch off after engine stop P06910 open circuit or short circuit to mass of the control circuit of the electric fan relay no. 10301 P0692030 short circuit to onboard of control circuit of electric fan relay no. 10303 P0693030 open circuit or short circuit to mass of the control circuit of the electric fan relay control circuit no. 20327 P0694035 short circuit to onboard of the control circuit of the electric fan relay control circuit no. 20340 P06A10420 open circuit or short circuit to mass of the control circuit of the air conditioner compressor relay. 0443 P06A20444 short circuit to onboard of the control circuit of the air conditioner compressor relay. 0445 P0704080 incorrect clutch pedal switch signal 0481 P1570-0500 no response from APS, immobilizer, or broken communication line. 0504 P1571-0560 unregistered electronic key used 0562 P1572-0563 immobile is a transceiver antenna open circuit or malfunction 0605. P1573-0606 internal malfunction of APS unit, immobilizer, 0627 P1574-0628 immobilizer function in controller not activated, controller. In untrained state, 0629 P1575-0645 access to APS, immobilizer. Blocked by controller 0646 P1576-0647 immobilizer transponder corrupted. Or not programmed 0691 P1600-0692 engine system diagnostic indicator control circuit defective 0693 P2100-0694 throttle actuator. Control circuit open circuit 1335 P2101 1336 electric throttle actuator position out of operating range 1388 P2102 1389 short circuit. To mass of electric throttle control circuit 1390 P2103 1391 throttle control circuit short circuit to onboard power 1545 P2122. 1558 acceleration pedal position sensor no. 1 circuit low signal level 1559 P2123 1564 acceleration pedal position sensor circuit no. 1 high signal level 1570 P2127 1571 acceleration pedal position sensor no. 2 circuit low signal level 1572 P2128 1573 acceleration pedal position sensor no. 2 circuit high signal level 1574 P2138 1575 acceleration pedal position sensor no. 1 an acceleration pedal position sensor no. Two readings do not match. 1578 P2141 1579 exhaust gas recirculation valve control circuit shorted to ground. 1603 P2142 2106 exhaust gas recirculation valve circuit short-circuited to the onboard network. 2122 P2146 2123 cylinder 1 injector power supply open circuit. 2127 P2227 2128 atmospheric pressure sensor signal in controller out of range. 2135 electric throttle actuator position out of operating range. 2138 atmospheric pressure sensor circuit in controller low signal level. 2187 P2229 2188 atmospheric pressure sensor circuit in controller high signal level. 2195 P2264 2270 fuel water sensor circuit or sensor malfunction. 2271 P2269 unreliable, out of range, over maximum amount of water in fuel. P2299 brake pedal and accelerator pedal sensor signals mismatch. P2517 low signal level in air conditioner refrigerant pressure sensor circuit. P2518 high signal level in AC refrigerant pressure sensor circuit. P2530 ignition switch circuit malfunction in operating position. P2687 fuel heater relay control circuit open. P2688 fuel heater relay control circuit short circuit to ground. P2689 fuel heater control circuit short circuit to onboard network. U0155 faulty instrument cluster communication circuit, tachometer control circuit faulty, output repair and tuning of the engine. ZMZ 4091 motorists prefer to do on their own. The motor has sufficiently high technical characteristics, and constructive simplicity allows you to carry out refinement practically in the garage. UAZ Hunter technical characteristics of ZMZ 4091 engine repair. 4091 engine. 4091 maintenance. 4091 P1572 immobilizer transceiver antenna open circuit or malfunction. P1573 access to APS immobilizer blocked by controller acceleration pedal position sensor no. 2 circuit low signal level. P2128. In conclusion, the ZMZ 4091 engine stands out for its robust design and reliable performance, making it a popular choice among enthusiasts and mechanics alike. Understanding its unique characteristics, from its efficient fuel consumption to its straightforward repair processes, can greatly enhance your experience with this engine. Whether you're maintaining an existing unit or considering a rebuild, knowing the ins and outs of the ZMZ 4091 will ensure you get the most out of its capabilities. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has provided valuable insights into the repair and features of the ZMZ 4091 engine.